Greetings, friends, and welcome to the den with me, Justin the Red Island Shaver, for another Music Monday. That's right, I have another tune here for you, and we're going to have a Matti Monday shave as well. It's also going to be a Citrus Week shave for Nate and Mel over at BBS.Live. Mel has proclaimed this week is Citrus Week, so why not? I think we did Citrus Week 2 weeks ago, but that's great. I don't mind doing it again because out of everything in my den, I think citrus is one of the most predominant scent notes because I do love me some citrus. So today we are going with the Ecto cooler. Make sure I get that right side up. Matti and Marion's take on a beverage from back in our youth, and that is a High C. So this is just a straight up mentholated orange. It's a beautiful orange scent, nice and vibrant and mentholated. And believe me, the coolness sneaks up on you in this one. Also going with a CV Hejestrand MK N.4. Nice little 4/8 square point. This was honed up by the man Matti himself. Thank you very much, Matti. I absolutely love this razor. And I'll be using my Matti Lindholm handcrafted brush. So everything basically has been provided by Matti except for the splash, which is going to be Male Grooming Tangerine. Just a phenomenal scent. Pairs beautifully with this Ecto cooler. So without further ado, we'll get into the music for Music Monday. Do I have any other songs? I'm trying to think. No, but I have another one to record. So this may be the last Music Monday for a little bit. I got to record and write some more material so you guys know how it is. It goes in spurts. So anyway, enjoy this one. It's called Sunny Day. Hopefully this one will uplift your spirits a little bit. And that's it. So without further ado, I'm going to cut this, come back, and the music will be playing. As always, pop some headphones in or some good stereo speakers. The way this is mixed, it's all mixed with headphones in and usually sounds like ass through phone speakers, but with the headphones in, you get the full effect. So enjoy, and we'll be back after the music. We're back. Hopefully you enjoyed that tune. Put a little smile on your face. I like that one. I like that one. Did I get yous? Did you kind of think it was going to be a slow tune and then, you know, it's going to be kind of nice and melodic the whole time and la-di-da-di-da, and then comes the drop. Yeah, it was fun. And that song was actually born out of that opening, just that opening guitar lick with the just running through the chords. Very nice. Edge is still great on this. Yeah, no, I didn't know what to do. I kind of wrote that. I was just messing around, just running through some chords, doing some stuff. And I came up with that, and I was like, how can I put that into a song? And I did, and I decided to kind of go punk, little Green Day kind of esque, and it worked out good. I like that one. Nice hollow ground razor. Always love to hear them work. Ooh, almost got myself there. Only 1 day's worth of growth, but my beard hair, I don't know what is up with my beard hair. It's just so damn tough. Don't like it. Don't like it. Yeah, we had a little skip there that was almost a boo-boo. I think we're all right, though. I think we're all right, so hopefully you're resolved to a good start to the week. Going back to the Scotch thing, for lack of things to talk about, so I had a couple drams last night, and, well, actually I had a few drams the other night, and, after one of my other videos, and I lost my train of thought here. Tried it with some water. Because I still wasn't sure on the peat. And you know what? I'm not feeling an against the grain with a straight razor today. I'm just not. My hands feel wonky. I don't feel like they want to cooperate. So you know what? I'm going to abandon. I'm going to finish off with the Grand Shave King. Because, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with my hands today, but they just don't want to do what I want them to do. I know my blood sugars were running fairly low. I'm not like low, but they're on the lower end of the scale today. That might have something to do with it. So for safety's sake, I'm going to bail and I'm going to go with this. But anyway, so like I was saying, so I wasn't 100% sure on the peat. I know in the Canadian Mafia Show, I struggled with it a little bit because I've never had anything like that in my life. So the next night, I just had to try some again, because I honestly went to bed and I thought about that scotch, and I've never ever had a whiskey where I've gone to bed and I've thought about it at night and was just perplexed by the whole thing, and stumped and amazed all at the same time, and challenged. So I went back to it the next night, tried 2 drops of water. That opened up a little bit more of the flavor, but it killed a lot of the peat. And then I had another dram with 2 drops of water, and then that brought some of the peat and the smoke back. But the flavor was still pretty much the same. And then the third little pour, and I was only having like 2 ml pours, like a little bit down in the Norland glass. Last pour, I had just neat, no water, and it was just, I was in love. That malted barley that came through, that peat smoke, so good, and it left me wanting more peat smoke. So I had a couple drams last night, just sitting on the couch watching YouTube, and I'm so acclimated to the peat now that since this is kind of, it's not a super heavy, peaty, smoky whiskey, that I was just getting faint wisps of it. It wasn't even like blowing me away. Like, it was there and the flavor was there, but it wasn't like crazy. And I just sat there like amazed. I was like, it didn't take very long at all to acclimate to the peat, and now I want more. That's all I want. I want smoky single malt Islay scotches. That's gonna be what I'm going for. Just the flavor, the complexity. So I think the next bottle is gonna be Bamore 12. Magic Mike recommended that. He said that's a really good dram, and that one's kind of in the realm of doable. It's $65 a bottle here, which is on the high side for me. I try and keep my bottles $40 and under. I only get a bottle once a month when my disability check comes in, so I'll have to wait until the end of August, the end of this month. But I think that's going to be the next dram. I'll shell out the extra $30 if my wife will let me, or the extra $25, and I'm going to have to get some of that. And then, of course, hopefully at some point, I'll be able to branch out into like Lagavulin. Well, I mean, Lagavulin is like, one of the Islay whiskeys. That's going to be a while. That's $144. There's no way she's letting me buy that. Maybe if I could sell some music, if I could sell some tunes or something to make some money, I would put it into scotch, because I don't really need any more musical equipment. But I don't have my phone ringing off the hook with music producers looking to buy my music either. So there's that. But anyway, yeah, Lagavulin. I would love to try some Lagavulin. And actually, they have the Nick Offerman edition here now. Finally, it's only $114, which isn't too bad. And then of course Lafroig. I'll have to try Lafroig. I think my man Ken Marginson over at Cal Shaves, I think he's sending me a sample of Ardbeg 10. So really looking forward to getting into that. But yeah, I think I'm ruined. I don't get me wrong, I still like my Canadian whiskey. I had a small dram last night and finished off my my whiskey that was distilled here in PEI, and I will 100% buy another bottle of that. That was great. It was kind of a nice nightcap after the peat. And bourbon, I still like bourbon. So basically, if I go win the lottery, and have some nice bourbons, some nice Canadians, and a whole bunch of single malt. But I think that is going to be my main focus. It's going to be the single malts. There's just something about it. That flavor. I love bourbon because it's sweet, and a lot of it's fairly easy drinking. But there's that complexity in a smoky single malt that just it's a wow factor. Like I said, I've never had a whiskey where I've had to think about it. And we go in with the Maol Grooming Tangerine. Oh, it's just like, getting smashed in the face with a fresh tangerine. Oh, it's so good. My only complaint is it's not like stupidly strongly scented. But I know we can't do that because citrus and phototoxicity and all that. But oh my God, so good. This is a scent I would wear all day long if there was a frag that could carry the scent. Just this fresh tangerine. Imagine being walking around with that and people just, you know, be like, man, that smells good. What the hell is that? Fresh tangerines. Oh, jeez. It smells really good. But anyway, yes, that was the shave. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys liked the tune. Hopefully you enjoyed the shave. I had a good time. Maybe it went a little bit long. I'm not sure. I'll find out when I edit it all together. But if I did, oh well, what can you do? Anyway, I appreciate all the support from everybody. There will be a giveaway at some point for the 600 subscribers. I do promise. Yeah, just let me try and get through the month here, and I will do something up. I do have something in the works. I promise. Just money. It's a bit tight, but there will be something, so bear with me, and that's it for now. So until next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day, and even better shave, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.